Welcome to the Swiss capital, Zurich. If you love New York, Sydney, then you will love Zurich. Zurich, the largest city of Switzerland, and the capital of the canton of Zurich, located in an alpine setting at the northwestern end of the Lake Zurich. This financial, cultural, and industrial center stretches out between the two forest chains of the hill. About 40 miles or 60 kilometers from the northern foothills of the Alps. Two rivers, the Limmat and the Schill, run through the city. We stayed here for an afternoon and an evening before heading to Germany by train. Now let's take a look at some photos of Zurich. The following photos have been taken with the Fuji X-20 and edited in SilkyPix Developer Studio Pro with Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! See you in Germany.